Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. I enjoy my new subscribers quite a bit. I hope you are enjoying your time with me as well. Let's get to it, shall we? Yes. Like my fall vibe? Oh, look, the little black cat has made his appearance for the fall time. We love black cats around here. We've got two of them. Two black cats, no waiting. Here we have it. The September Allure Beauty Box, and it is heavy, and it feels solid, and it is with taxes and stuff like 24 something around there. It's around 24 bucks. You get some full-size items, you get some sample size items, and you always get a beautiful pamphlet with a beautiful lady. Hello, beautiful lady. She's so pretty. Need to put this mirror down here so I have some room to work with. And it's got, they've got a member store, kind of like BoxyCharm, but for Allure. I haven't really gone there. I don't need to be spending more money than I'm spending right now with boxes and such. Let's take a peek-a-loo at what's inside. Oh, we got some big things in here. Big things indeed. I'm knocking shit over. I can't wait to find out what I've got in my box. Oh, the first thing in here is the first thing that I noticed, which is this Voir. A walk in the sun, inside out moisturizing and repair mask. While you'll love it, we say this hair mask is magic, but it's blend of keratin, algae, coconut milk, coconut oil, and shea butter is rooted in science. The mix of tried and true reparative and hydrating ingredients help hair that's been blow dried, flat ironed, or bleached. After living with green and blue and pink hair for 5 years, imagine Demapalooza surprise when, that's the name of the person who wrote this, when this really did soothe her stressed out hair. And obviously I have colored hair. And this is $26. Let's see if it's got a safety seal. It does. I'm not going to crack it open yet. I'm really interested to see how it smells. But this is a beautiful full-size item. Fantastic. Then we have a not so full-size item. I'm going to get my calculator out and keep track of things. So $26. This is a mini, a little micro mini, if you will. Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. The second you slather this Allure's Best of Beauty award-winning airy cream, you know it's a hit. It's really lightweight and moisturizing, full of some of the best hydrators out there like squalene, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. The full size is $40. This size is probably like 50 cents. It is so small, but it's still plenty to try it out. So I'm gonna say it's like $2 because the big one's 40 bucks and that one's at least $2. Next up we have this, and it is from the Body Shop, Drops of Youth, and it's a beautiful package. I love the green. And this Drops of Youth liquid peel, if you're going to name a product Drops of Youth, you better deliver, and this one exceeds expectations. It's super gentle gel peel infused with hydrating fair trade morning oil, moringa oil, makes skin much clearer, fresher, and brighter. What you do is you smooth a pump or two over your skin. Be careful to avoid the eye area, and then rinse it off. That's it. No stinging, no redness, just a happy, refreshed complexion. And I believe this is full size. It's 3.3 fluid ounces, 100 milligrams, or milliliters, not milligrams, Rhonda. liters because it's liquid. 25 bucks. Okay, that's cool. Then next up we have from Commodity Milk Expressive. Commodity Milk. All right. Why you'll love it. This is an enveloping, comforting, and sometimes familiar from the very first spritz. The warm fragrance. Oh, I love a fragrance. We're going to smell it. I'm going to smell it. I'm going to take the risk of smelling something stinky for you. I'm taking the hit. It could be something delightful. And this is a generous size fragrance sample. That's pretty good size. And it says it's a warm fragrance, and I'm into that because it's fall time. I've got fall makeup on. I've got a fall kitty. Fall into the gap. But anyway, it's got notes of marshmallow, tonka bean, and of course, its namesake, milk. I don't know if I want to smell milk. I don't like the smell of milk. But anyway, it's like it's not a vanilla steamer. It has a cool vibe that's reassuring and easy. Like a big hug from an old friend. Oh, all in this little tube. All right, here I go, taking one for the team. Ooh, right up my nose. It's nice. It does not smell like milk. It smells like the tonka bean and the marshmallow. It smells really nice. It's kind of an androgynous kind of scent where it could go for a man or a woman. Non-binary scent, if you will. It smells good. And oh my God, for 100 milliliters, it's $135. And they've got a discount code. I don't think I'm going to get a full size of this. But this is like a warm fall candle. Kind of musky, but not like in a Jovan musk from the 80s kind of way. It smells really, it is kind of like a hug. It does give you that kind of warm feeling inside. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to say that's probably at least $8. I'm just guessing. Because, you know, whatever. Just guessing. Next up, we have the Miracle Patch. And I love these little patchy things. I have some dark spot patches and some pimple patches. And this is the Miracle Patch from Rael, R-A-E-L, Rael Beauty, or Rael. And this is invisible spot covers. It's like hyaluronic acid stickers. Like Rails are the closest thing you can get to a vacuum for pimples. These clear matte patches won't slip or slide as they grab oil from blemishes, shrinking them throughout the afternoon or overnight. So you stick one on a pimple that's popping up and then peel it off 4 to 8 hours later after the patches turned white, or leave it on overnight. $12. And that is full size. Pretty cool. I love those little patches. I've tried several brands and they're very nice. They work nicely. Let's see what else we have in here. Now we got a foil packet, which I'm never excited about. I'm knocking over that warm hug milk fragrance. What are you wearing tonight? Oh, why, it's milk. That's a terrible name for a fragrance. But one of my favorite fragrances from Brooklyn Ellis is Salt. So I guess I can't really give them too much crap. And this is from Saban. It is a body scrub in patchouli, lavender, vanilla, which sounds like it would go really well with this perfume. Because some people don't like the smell of patchouli. They think of dirty hippies. I like the smell of patchouli if it's done right, where it's not too heavy and you're not trying to cover up body odor. because in the 90s people wore patchouli like it was going out of style. But this sounds really good. I wish it was bigger than this because this will not cover my body. My body is bigger than this tiny scrub. But I could, it's based on natural dead sea salt. I could use it like to exfoliate my hands and my arms, you know, at the sink. That would be nice. It's $45 for 20 ounces. This has jojoba, almond, borage oils, and soul nourishing aromas. We love that. And the warm lavender scent is heaven. It's heaven in a body scrub. It's heaven. So if it's 20 ounces for $45, this is like, I'm gonna say $2 because it's not very much. And then we have, ooh, a serum. Let's see if I can find the page on that. Did I pass it up? No. What is this? What is this in here? There's a serum. Did I miss it? I did miss it. It was the first page. It was stuck. French Girl Allure Botanical Serum. This feels very luxurious, and the packaging is gorgeous. Draw me like one of your French girls. Allure Botanical Serum, active facial treatment. Serum pour le visage. That's my high school French for you. It says botanical oils are the most decadent way to moisturize your skin, and the serum's blend of an impressive 27 natural, organic, and wildcrafted oils is as luxurious as it gets. Let's take a look. But there's potent mix of mostly foraged, I went foraging, mostly foraged hydrators, jojoba, rosehip, geranium. I love geranium and rosehip. This is beautiful. That is just gorgeous. Raspberry seed oils and more. And you put a drop or two between your fingers. A little of this rich blend goes a long way, so start small and add more if you need it. Press into your skin morning and night for a glowing, smooth complexion. Take a little extra tap on any rough patches. Keep it in your travel kit. Now, this is $72 and this is full size. That is awesome. So that makes the value of this $24 or $25 box $147 with my guesstimates of the samples. And I've got a rough patch on my elbow. You can see it's kind of red. Let's try it out. Let's put a couple drops. Ooh, it's raining everywhere. It feels emollient. It gives a nice glow. It smells amazing. It smells like every good herb and seed. Oh, this smells great. And it really is taking care of my dry patch. It looks more red because I've been rubbing on it, but it doesn't look as dry and dusty as it did before. So that's cool. I'm really excited about that. So thanks. This is a great box. I've got 3 full-size items, a good perfume. So we've got this serum, we've got the hair mask, we've got the facial peel, we've got this Manège cream, we've got the little body scrub, which would be great to scrub this, like I said, my arms, and scrub this and then put that serum on. And we've got the miracle patches. Very cool. Knocking it out of the park, Allure. I don't even mind the little tiny samples because the 4 full-size things are very nice. So, thumbs up. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.